Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and on News Watch 12 this morning we were looking at a lot of snow in the parking lot of the Clomoy Casino, but now all the snow has melted, although we are seeing a few light flurries still falling near Chiloquin. You can see all these little itty-bitty snow showers over on the east side, and then some more tangible just rain showers along the coast right now. And this will become more widespread as we head into the afternoon. So let's go ahead and show you that with Stormcast. We'll stop this right around the time you are headed home from work, and you can see some more widespread rain and snow. We'll take a look at snow levels here in just a second, but they're going to stay pretty consistent between 2,000 to 3,000 feet. And then into midnight, still dealing with the same thing. And keep in mind that the best coverage of snow today is going to be along and north of the Siskiyous and along and west of the Cascades. And it's going to be the exact same thing into Wednesday too, although coverage will be a little bit more expansive on Wednesday, and it's going to be all throughout the day. But then into the evening, that's when things will start to subside and will be mostly dry for Thursday. And I think all of us are going to be completely dry for Friday. Here's some of these water totals we're expecting through Wednesday night. And you can see it's going to be the coast, the Cascades, Grants Pass, and the Illinois Valley, and then the rest. We're not going to get much of anything in the Rogue Valley, East Side, and Shasta City. So you are a bunch of lucky winners in southern Josephine County and also in coastal Curry County and in the Cascade Ridgeline, which is technically both in Jackson and Klamath counties. Snow levels, like I've already said, staying pretty consistently around 2,000 and 3,000 feet. Can't rule out some snow making it down to the valley floors, including for the Rogue Valley, but the biggest accumulations are going to be above 3,000 feet. So places like Diamond Lake, Crater Lake, Lake of the Woods, in those areas we could get anywhere between 4 to 12 inches. Although again, for Grants Pass, for Medford, for Ashland, we could have anywhere between a trace to an inch. The same thing with Wairika and Mount Shasta City, Klamath Falls. The one little caveat in the forecast is that southern Josephine County is this big question mark with the models. Some models are being much more conservative than this, and then some models are being much more aggressive than this. So we're being fairly conservative, going with 1 to 2 inches for Cave Junction, pretty similar totals for Hayes Hill, but just know that is subject to change. So for today, we'll have temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year. We'll have rain and snow showers between 2,000 to 3,000 feet and above, mainly along and west of the Cascades and to the north of the Siskiyous. And those winds are going to make those below average temperatures feel even colder than they have to be. And then overnight, temperatures will be in the 20s for the east side, 30s for our west side valleys, 30s along the coast. So another cold night and another night where we'll have the chance for some snow showers inland, and it will just be a very cold rain there along the coast. And winds will start to back off tonight. Again, we have that resurgence in moisture for Wednesday, but then much drier for the rest of the week. In fact, our overarching pattern is getting much spring-like, much more spring-like, I should say, because not only do we dry out, but we warm up by about 25 degrees between Tuesday and Saturday. So big time turnaround. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain and thunderstorms looking likely for today and for tomorrow, and then we will gradually dry out into Thursday and Friday, and then temperature is getting pretty close to 60 degrees for Friday and for Saturday, and then small shower chances return into Sunday and Monday. For Siskiyou County, we'll see that chance for rain and snow showers for today, much drier into Wednesday, and then nothing else in the forecast after that except for some very warm temperatures, potentially partly cloudy and 75 on Saturday. And we can make a run for 70 degrees over on the east side. So 44 for Tuesday, 70 for Saturday. So it feels like we're going to endure several seasons over the next few days. And then for the Cascades and Siskiyous, adding to the snowpack in a pretty substantial way over the next 48 hours, as we could get 8 to 12 inches of snow for Crater Lake, but then we're likely going to start to dwindle the snowpack a bit with some warmer temperatures into this weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, we'll have one more crack at rain and snow showers for Wednesday, much drier for Thursday, and then getting up into the 70s for Friday and Saturday.